With the arrival of the latest Insta360 Go 3, action camera world has a new contender which opens up newer ways to capture your everyday moments. The previous Go 2 from Insta360 was already a great compact camera to carry, and with some notable upgrades over its predecessors such as a higher resolution and improved battery life, the Go 3 has got the potential to be your next camera on the go. So what more enhancements does the latest micro action camera bring? To find out, we have done an extensive comparison between the two models, allowing you to determine which one is best suited for your needs. The most noticeable contrast between these two cameras lies in their design alterations, particularly when it comes to the user experience. The Insta360 Go 2 left us quite impressed with its charging case, which cleverly incorporated a remote control and a compact tripod. However, the Insta360 Go 3 elevates this concept to a whole new level. It offers an exciting addition called the Action Pod. This innovative charging case transforms the Go 3 into a conventional action camera, providing a touchscreen LCD for framing shots and adjusting settings. The remarkable feature is that the Viewfinder operates wirelessly, enabling you to conveniently check framing and modify settings while the camera is mounted. Moreover, the screen can be flipped vertically, allowing you to capture footage at low angles or film yourself in a vlog-style format. While the Go 2's case featured foldable legs that served as a tripod, they weren't particularly sturdy. However, it made up for this by including a quarter 20 tripod thread, offering the flexibility to mount it on various camera mounts. Interestingly, the Go 3's Action Pod no longer includes this feature, but it has been replaced with something arguably superior. The Go 3 introduces a magnetic clamp mounting system that bears a striking resemblance to the system utilized by DJI's Action 2 and Osmo Action 3. Inside the package, you'll find a clamped tripod thread adapter accompanied by a rotating ball head for effortless framing. What's truly impressive is that the magnetic clamp is compatible with both the Action Pod and the Go 3 itself, enabling you to swiftly and securely attach either option. In comparison, the Go 2 had accessories for mounting without the case, but they were either less reliable or more intricate to set up. In terms of the cameras themselves, the Go 3 has experienced a slight increase in weight compared to the Go 2. It's marginally larger in all dimensions and weighs approximately 9 grams more. While this may not be a significant concern for most individuals, it becomes more noticeable when considering the attachment of the camera to a micro drone. In such cases, the additional 9 grams can have a discernible impact. The added weight of the Go 3 brings a significant advantage in terms of battery life. With a 310 mAh battery pack compared to the Go 2's 210 mAh, Insta360 claims a 50% boost in standalone shooting time. This means you can now enjoy up to 45 minutes of continuous recording without the pod, surpassing the Go 2's typical 30-minute limit before the battery depletes. In short, the Insta360 Go 3 takes the versatility of the compact action camera to new heights while maintaining a small and portable form factor. This advancement empowers creators to capture a wider range of footage using a single device, eliminating the need for multiple equipment setups. The Go 3 effectively expands creative possibilities without having to sacrifice its compact nature. While several features remain consistent, such as the remarkable flow state stabilization with 3 levels of image stabilization, 360 horizon lock for video stabilization, night shot capability, star lapse for nighttime time-lapse, and pure shot for capturing high-quality photos, a noticeable distinction between the two products lies in their resolution. In terms of resolution, the Insta360 Go 2 tops out at 1440p, capable of capturing footage at up to 50 fps. On the other hand, the Insta360 Go 3 offers a higher resolution, reaching 2.7K at a maximum of 30 fps. At first glance, this might not seem like a significant upgrade as we had hoped for a 4K resolution, but if you zoom into the captured shots, you'll definitely notice more sharpness and details captured by the Go 3's footage. Nonetheless, the Insta360 Go 3 boasts additional enhancements such as color optimization and a range of new options. To sum it up, when it comes to creating POV content, the Insta360 Go 2 is a great choice for the price. However, if you're seeking more detailed shots and battery life and wish to utilize the Go as an all-in-one action camera akin to a GoPro, then the upgraded Insta360 Go 3 is the ideal choice. Although it may not match the resolution of the top-tier GoPros, the Go 3 compensates with features like a flip touchscreen and an array of mounting options, making it arguably the most versatile action camera available right now. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.